Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all doing well. And today we got a little problem, as you probably can hear. With this stem right here, we got a little bit of a leak. So I couldn't find no good video on how to do it, so I decided I'm gonna make one. As you can see, we already got the tire off. And yeah, this is the one that have the that little tire sensor or whatever. So we're gonna be trying to, replace it. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is find one of these. We're not sure what the name of one of these, but if I find out, I'm pretty sure I'll put it in the video somewhere. What you want to do is kind of just stick that in there, like so. And what this right here doing, you're basically gonna let the air out. See, as you see it right there. So what you're gonna do is just keep on screwing until it come out. And yeah, that's the first step. As you can see, the air is coming out. You just took it out using that right there. So as you can see, I got the tire broken down. And I probably ain't gonna show it, cause honestly, I was struggling doing it myself. And I would ask my dad for help components and all that right there. But as you can see, there is the sensor right there. As you can see, it has a screw. I believe that one of them security screws. Why not regular? Why not regular flathead or Phillip? I do not know. But as you can see, we got plenty of them right there. So by the way, the walk tool set, I did make a video about it, recommend it. But as you can see, all we have to do now is just get one of these right here. Came with the tool set, and all you have to do now, pretty much, go to that little screw and unscrew it. So, okay, I tried to unscrew with my hand. I had to go ahead and get one of these right here. Shout out to my dad for having pretty much everything in his shop. So yeah, you probably might need like a screwdriver or something like that to get a little bit more leverage. So yeah. Okay, so this right here is what we're working with. So all I did, I got a pair of vice grips, grabbed it from the front and yanked it out. And as you can, when I yanked it out, this right here actually broke off. So either I did it wrong or it was pretty just worn down anyway. As you can see, it's pretty just worn down. But ooh, my hand's looking rough. But we got a new one. As you can see, both of these right here match up. I got this right here from AutoZone. Came with it on screw and everything. And yeah, we're gonna try to install it. Okay, so what it looks like, what I need to do is put that through there, just like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over here, get these right here, and grab it from the front, like that. And basically, I'm just gonna pull it through until it's, flushed down in there. Okay, we got the tire on. And see, we got the stem. And by the way, you want to make sure you get some soap and water. I tried doing it without it. Very difficult with the soap and water. It went straight on. So now we gotta do is try to air it up and put it on the truck and check to see if it's leaking. Okay, we are back, and it have been a full 3 weeks since last I installed this stem right here with that little sensor. And yeah, it going strong. Tire pressure haven't dropped at all. And yeah, pretty much, do yourself. Get like some lubricant or whatever. The hard thing about this, honestly, is just taking the tire off. And that is something I haven't did as much. That's why I kind of struggle with it. But like I didn't want to show it because I was kind of struggling myself. Plenty of videos show you how to do it. But yeah, that pretty much all there is to it. Everything holding up pretty good. Y'all like the video, found it helpful, like this type of content, please subscribe. I post every week, and I love this, for y'all to be a part of my YouTube journey. So yeah, y'all take it easy, be safe.